There's a 182 Cessna and a 206 Cessna. The 206 is carrying 5 skydivers, and the 182 is carrying 3 plus the pilots. We have Rich Piccarelli and Lynn Fogelman. We have a young skydiver by the name of David, who is a photographer. We have...
Our skydivers fall. Once out of the airplane for 10 seconds, they reach terminal velocity at 120 miles an hour. Now, by varying their body position into a delta, or what we call a head-down position, they can build that speed.
Those things do happen in air shows that we know of. Thankfully, not really. And he's down on the ground. We got our B-51 that's the orange is passing out at this time. We'll be flying in the old and the new, and what they call the heritage flight, taking place here. As he'll be airborne for the 18 Thunderbolt. Makes your way to the top wing of the airplane. And as she gets set on the rack, then she will be doing her gymnastics, difficult and challenging back arch. That would be tough enough to do it on the ground. Margaret is the originator of this pose on a plane flight. So if you've got a dream up with the telescopic lens on it, get ready to go because Margaret has a long time. And he's got a rider up on the top of the They're based right over at Chino, so we're real close by. Probably the closest show that they do during the year to being close to home.